see that, but it's all black in there, and melted and broken. So a few weeks ago, my wife and I bought a Tilther, and she promptly proceeded to do 300-foot rows and then told me it stopped working. Went out there, pulled the trigger, light goes on the drill, but nothing's turning. And after opening it up, it became pretty clear as to why. Inside there, it's pretty discolored. Now this is the replacement motor I ordered off Amazon. Now the part on this one, it says N324100. Gears look the same. It fits in there, so it'll mate up to the gear housing. And now these have a little dot where the positive wire goes. The original also has a red dot where the positive goes. Now this is going to need desoldering, so I have a soldering iron heated up. Let's see if that come out easily or not. I'm going to need more space there, so try to do this and not melt the housing or my fingers. And turn that over. Set that aside so I don't burn myself while I'm playing with this. All right. Okay. Simple as that. Old motor's out. Now, if you see if you can focus on that. Maybe get a flashlight. So if we look inside there, see when I spin that, the cooling fins don't spin. And you can see that the things got pretty hot in there. Well, let's get this replacement motor in. I took the black one off first, so let's put the black one on first. I should probably clean that solder off. I have some wire wick around somewhere, but I'm just gonna let it flow onto the soldering iron and then use my solder scrubber over there. All right, let's see if that'll go in the hole now. What did I make it myself? Looks like it's interesting going in. Sorry if the camera wobbles around. It is attached to the table here. And this is just a plastic table. Now we'll heat that pad up. That looks good. All right, I'll flip that over. Make sure we're still in shot here. Okay. Stop there. Now let's see if we can get these wires back in their channels. And let's see if that motor works. There we go. Okay. That seems to work. Now the fun part. Let's get this on there. Lines up. Now there we go. Getting everything. Oh, there we go. That fell apart again. Hopefully it's still lined up, but no. This is where I should have done. One moment, please. Mr. Clive. There we go. And I'm going to hold that right there. So we're not in that channel up there yet. We're not locked in there. There we go. Oh, there's a bunch of little plastic channels that all this snaps into. All right. I think we're good. Okay, now. There we go. I think that's it. It all feels like it's snapped in place. That is a T10. I'm starting at the front here because that seems to be the part that is going to be most interested, or the most stresses of popping apart are. Try not to over tighten and strip the plastic out. Not that I've ever done that before. No, I don't intend to use this drill as on the Tilther again. What I've done is I've went and put a much larger 20 volt max Dewalt drill on the Tilther. She did do a 100-foot row with the 20 volt max drill. I think it was a 992 on the model number. Yeah, it's actually the hammer drill version, but that's what I had bought myself for just a good heavy duty cordless drill. And I figure the hammer drill version is probably got a better gearbox on it than the non-hammer drill, so we'll just leave that one on there and I'll buy another hammer drill. Okay, back together. Let's see if it works. Clutch seems to work. Yep, speed works. There we have it. But yeah, that is a mess in there. See that, but it's